Welcome back to Upper Garage. We're going to show you a quick video review of the foam cannon sold on Amazon. This is a $10 one, and it'll hook right up to your pressure washer, whether it's gas or electric. It comes with a bag of tips that go from 0 degree all the way up to a 60-degree tip, so you can do all the different fans and pressures with your washer. So we're going to show you a little bit of this, and we're going to be washing this 20-plus-year-old BMW. It's got 300,000 miles on it. We're going to just show you a quick cleanup and how this foam cannon works. And real quick, the way you adjust this, the top knob is how much soap you actually want to flow out, and then you can spin this and it pulls in those little metal pieces to create a larger fan or a straight stream. So that's how the foam cannon works. It sprays pretty nicely, and you just got to work with those adjustments. We'll add a link in the description, that way you can look it up yourself as well. And we're going to give you a quick walk around of the car and how it looks with just a touchless wash. Thank you and subscribe.